Welcome back to our class. So we want to continue by looking at, sorry, once again, my name is Femi Anyodikwe, and I'm the one taking this course. So we want to continue our class by looking at how to install a WordPress into our domain or your subdomain. Just like I said, the process of getting each of them developed or designed are the same. We have a domain, we have a subdomain. So any which one of them that you want to make use of, we want to look at how to install WordPress into them. So what exactly is WordPress? WordPress is a CMS. We call it a content management system through which you manage every content of your site. So I said immediately you create your domain or subdomain. In the case of subdomain, we just created. I said if you don't have your security certificate installed in your subdomain, WordPress will not be able to come in. So for us to install WordPress, let's confirm from our security certificate list. You can see that the system has told us that we install SSL for teaching.empowertoacquire.com. All right. So it said, please check for you to be sure. So can you say, click on this. Okay, let me just open in a new link for us to see. So it's live. Our website is live. So now this is the look of the site. As simple as this. This is a sign that this website is existing. With this, you can do a lot of things in your house. It's like a house. You can do so many things in the website, and it will not be seen to the world. Only what you want the world to see, they will see. So let's go back to our control panel to install our WordPress. So click on this. If you are coming from here, either you go to your control panel straight. This is where our control panel is. So when you get to your control panel again, you locate Substaculous Apps Installer. That is number 1 on the list from my own control panel here. Click on it, Substaculous Apps Installer. It brings you to where we have all the CMS. We have WordPress, we have Joomla, we have Abante Cat. There are a lot of them, but WordPress happens to be the most popular and the most effective because it powers almost 1/3, 1/3 of every website that is existing in the whole world. All right, so that makes it very effective, very, very popular among all of them. So just click on, you come to the Substaculous App Installer, click on Install where you have WordPress. So coming to the page where you want to install your WordPress, all right, you check all the existing domain and subdomain that you have for you to give command to WordPress which exactly you want it to go. Now, so let's look at, we are going to training or teaching.empowertoacquire.com. All right, as it, we have it there. So you can see that the HTTPS has been automatically added. Okay, if you want to, you have the option of having it as HTTPS /www, or you leave it at ordinary HTTPS. In my own case, I like to use HTTPS without adding www to my domain or to my subdomain. So once you have put your subdomain in the column for where WordPress to know which exact domain or subdomain you want it to enter. Then you come to your site name. So give it a name. This is where you configure the look of your site, at least to some extent. What's the site name I want to call it? I call it teaching. Okay. Teaching with passion. And let me just say, well, you can always change it later. I say teaching. Let me just leave it at teaching. Then description. I can say the best online teaching website. Okay, depending on what you want yours to be. Then you come to this side, you create an admin name. This place is very, very important. This page we have, you need to customize your username and admin name so that each time you want to log into your back end, what you are creating here is you are creating a WordPress admin whereby anything you want to do at the back end of your site, you use this username you want to create now and the password. So for the purpose of this class, I'm going to use the same site name, which is teaching. Okay. All right. Then for the password, your password must be strong enough to take up to 85%. So can I say teaching at, for my password to be strong, at teaching.com, 82% at teaching.com. Ash, where's my Ash? Okay, this is 89. Cool. At teaching.com, Ash. Okay, then your admin email, let it remain the way it is. Don't change it, okay? Then you come down here to install your WordPress. Then it requires that you had your email address for installation details. So let me use my email, empowertoacquire.com, and you click on install. Immediately you click on install, it tells you that it takes up to 3 to 4 minutes to install. So just relax. And as I'm talking to you, WordPress has been installed. As simple as that. Let's go and check it. Okay, it says, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So we'll go and check our WordPress now. Let's go and check our, and I'm not cheating. Let's go back to where do we open it? Okay, so let's refresh to see how it looks now. Wow, mind-blowing, a blog about philosophy. So this is the new look of our website for now. Can you see we still have teaching.empowertoacquire.com. So this is gradually we are beautifying our website. So this is how to install your WordPress into your domain or subdomain. Thank you. Quickly, let's look at another topic.